A major controversy from the Bollywood industry that has triggered debate over film unions, legal authorities, and the future of actor Ranveer Singh in the Hindi film industry. The Federation of Western India Cine Employees, popularly known as FWIC, has reportedly issued a non-cooperation directive against Ranveer Singh in connection with the ongoing Dawn 3 dispute. The controversy has quickly become one of the most talked about developments in Bollywood because it raises an important question: can a film workers' body actually ban a major actor from working in the industry? According to reports, the dispute began after Ranveer Singh allegedly excited the upcoming film Dawn 3 after extensive pre-production work had already been carried out. The film, directed by Farhan Akhtar, was considered one of the biggest upcoming Bollywood projects, and Ranveer Singh had earlier been announced as the lead actor for the rebooted franchise. Reports suggest that producer-director Farhan Akhtar and Excel Entertainment approached FWIC, claims that significant financial losses were suffered due to actors' allegedly withdrawal from the project. These losses reportedly include expenses related to planning, location, scouting, scheduling, marketing, and other production activities already undertaken before the reported exit. Following the complaint, FWIC issued what is being described as a non-cooperation directives against Ranveer Singh. This move immediately sparked speculation on social media, with many people questioning whether the actor had effectively been banned from Bollywood. However, legal experts and industry observers say the situation is more complex than it appears. Technically, FWIC does not have the constitutional or legal authorities to permanently prohibit an actor from working in films. It is not a government body or statutory regulator. Instead, the FWIC is the federation representing thousands of workers associated with the entertainment industry, including technicians, spot boys, makeup artists, junior artists, and crew members. What FWIC can do: issue a directive asking its affiliated members not to cooperate with the particular actor or production. In practical terms, such a move can create difficulties for film shoots because productions rely heavily on workers associated with these unions. So while Ranveer Singh may not be legally banned from acting, any project involving him could potentially face operational challenges if union members refuse to participate. That is why the controversy has become so serious with Bollywood circle. This is not the first time FWIC has issued such directives. In the past, the body has taken similar actions in disputes involving singers, actors, and producers. However, legal experts point out that courts in India have previously observed that no private association can completely stop an individual from pursuing their professions under constitutional rights. Meanwhile, neither Ranveer Singh nor his official team has issued a detailed public response regarding the controversy so far. Fans are also waiting for clarity over whether the actor voluntarily exited Dawn 3, whether there was a contractual dispute, or whether negotiations are still ongoing behind the scenes. The controversy has once reignited debate over professionalism, contracts, and accountability in Bollywood. Some industry insiders argue that actors walking out of projects after commitments can lead to huge financial losses for producers. Others believe that creative disagreements and scheduling conflicts are common in cinema and should be resolved through contracts and legal mechanisms rather than public pressures. Social media, meanwhile, remains divided. While some users support FWIC and producers for demanding accountability, others feel that no union should have the power to isolate an actor from the industry. The Dawn franchise itself carries a massive fan following. After Shah Rukh Khan's iconic portrayals in previous films, Ranveer Singh's casting had already generated strong reactions online. The current controversy has now added even more uncertainty around the future of the project. Reports also suggest that compensation demands worth several crores may become part of the disputes if the matter escalated legally. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.